So last week I was visiting one of my customers. They were the designers, manufacturers and installers of solar panels. As I was discussing with the design head, he told me about a problem he faced when he interacted with his customers. It was difficult for him to convey his designs to our prospects. As we started working on this particular problem, we realized we can use SOLIDWORKS Visualize for this case. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a render tool that can utilize your existing CAD models to create high quality renders. So, you bring in the CAD models and you can add realistic appearances with textures and also environments with lights to it. The inbuilt cloud library consists of a variety of appearances carrying texture information for various materials. Also, we have HDR environments that consist of various scenes and the lighting information, helping us to make the most realistic images you can ever get. But I guess that won't be enough, since the customer actually wants to see the model in his own environment. So let's go one step further. Let's capture an image of customer's environment and add that into our Visualize project. By giving you the flexibility of adding your own background, lightings and various camera angles can really bring life to your designs. I think this would suffice the need of the customer at some level. We can also add various lights to suit the background. Let's also capture a different camera orientation to showcase the model. One cool thing is, using the camera views, we can add different camera effects like depth of field to increase the focus on our designs than the background. Also, Visualize gives us the flexibility to do post-processing within the solution itself, giving us a lot of flexibility when it comes to editing the images. What truly makes it wonderful is by adding a sun steady showcasing the shadow movement over our entire model, as you can see in this example. If you look at the detail of the shadow as it moves across the object, it makes it look very realistic. This will definitely make it an effective method to showcase our model in the customer's environment. Now, if you truly want to immerse your customer in your design, then we can use Visualize to create VR content that will truly capture your customers with your designs. Creating the content only takes a few additional steps, and that's easily accomplished. Now, how about sharing this content? Well, using Visualize, you can share the content as HTML so that it can easily be opened using any web browser, making it easily accessible across multiple devices, capturing your customers' focus and immersing them truly in your designs. With the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS Visualize, you can truly capture the customer's attention and make them immerse in your designs. Create images, animations, or even a full sun study to make your customers understand your designs in the most immersive way. For more information, kindly contact us, and thank you for watching.